Hi guys, welcome to Southport Honda. Today I'm going to do a quick video on our HRV 1.5 petrol in Morpho Blue. So what I'm going to do is a quick video around the outside, show you some of the key features, and then for a more personalised video please call one of our salesmen on 01704 500 501. Okay, I'll just go around the outside now. So we've got parking sensors on the front. Nice alloy wheels. Parking sensors on the rear. There's the registration number, OV67 MDN. Around this side. So I'll go in now. So we've got cloth interior, mats, which is a nice little extra. 2 keys. There's the service book. It's a manual, this one. Okay guys, for any more questions, please give us a call today and we'll help in any way we can. Okay, thank you. Bye now.